Hey there, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today we're going to talk about if FTX is a good token to buy, and if it's halal, and if you can use FTX to make that much money. Let's get this video started. So FTX or FTT token, it's a very well-known token. I mean, they've done phenomenal marketing. You'll see it all along the boards in different sports activities, and this shows strong marketing shows strong potential of the future. Look at crypto.com and stuff like that. But here's the thing: when FTX was started, it was initially started for a lot of non-Sharia based use cases, such as derivatives and all this other stuff. Now, looking at a technical format, is it a good project to buy or something to hold? Yes, it's something that does show future success. But because it's not permissible for us to get involved with, I'm saying do not do it, right? Obviously. So from the Sharia perspective, it is not a good way to make that much money. And I'll give you the Sharia analysis on it. I'm just telling you, from the technical format and just analysis, analytics, keep aside Islam, it is a good token to probably look into. But because we're focusing on making that Mashallah money, obviously you can't make anything that's non-permissible. So let's see what Sharia perspective says on this. FTT is the native token or native cryptocurrency token of the crypto derivative trading platform FTX. The platform initially specialized in crypto futures market, where traders can create a contract stipulating that they will buy or sell a certain amount of an asset at a certain time in the future. Since conventional derivatives are non-halal, due to their structure, FTX is also not a Sharia compliant platform, and using its token will also be non-permissible. Now, you'll be like, a lot of you guys will be like, well, okay, there's other platforms like this that have derivatives and stuff. There's a difference between being established for derivatives and other formats of non-Sharia compliant things, and difference of just being a generic thing and then people using it for non-permissible things. It's a simple, as I've said, currency. People use it for good and bad. And I mean, we can get into this detail, and you can watch my other videos on this, and we've talked about this in detail on the BNB exchange, if it's halal or haram. And I've talked about derivatives, if derivatives are permissible or not. So, if you guys want to learn more about that, you guys can watch my video on that, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, like, hit that bell notification icon.
Do it! Just do it!
Go on my TikTok, comment on my TikToks, tell me what you guys are doing. If you guys are liking the stuff that I'm making, if you guys want me to make some funny content, let me know. You know what? I don't mind taking risk and trying something funny, right? I mean, life is already a joke. With so many of the things that's going on, so why not try some other things in there? Hope you guys are liking these content and these tokens being permissible or not, the content on that. And if you guys are, share with your friends, like, share, subscribe. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.